Today we're going to look at the Duchess, the Solaire Raw Collection Duchess. Now this is the smallest unit in the collection and it's ideal for startup and definitely mobile. The beauty of this little unit is that it's lightweight, a kilo, but it still has the disconnect feature that other models quite superior to it have. So the quick connect onto the machine and also onto the gun. Make it nice and quick and easy to use. The Duchess unit has the on-off switch on the top of the unit here, make it nice and simple to use. The quick connect hose. The nice thing about the quick connect hose, which is a flexible hose, is that the hose is quite long, a couple of metres long, but if you can also see, it's quite robust. You can quite easily step on the unit and you don't have to worry about it breaking. So that's a nice thing about this unit. So as you can see, it's got a nice long hose, so lots of room to have the unit away from the spray tan area, but still the flexibility and strength of that hose. The gun has a 350mm pot and has been specifically designed for spray tanning. So therefore you can actually fill up your pot and do multiple spray tans in a row. And you can see that the needle in the gun is very fine, giving good atomization, and it's got a directional rotation, depending on when you're spraying up or down. Now the really nice thing about all the units in the Solaire Raw collection is that the maintenance of all the guns are all the same, so we'll go through that later, how to clean your gun properly. I'm just going to go through how to clean and look after your unit, because if you do this religiously after you finish spraying at the end of the night, you'll have your unit for a long time. Unfortunately, most of the problems occur because sometimes we forget to clean our little units. So at the end of the night, obviously we want to disconnect it from power. We want to disconnect the hose and the gun. And as I said, I will go through the cleaning of the gun later. The little unit doesn't have any filters in it. Out the road, the hose out the road. So basically just get a damp cloth and just wipe over your unit. Just down your electrical cord, make sure it's disconnected and it's not wet, just damp. And then what we're going to do is just get a dry towel and just wipe over it. Because remember, spray tan's quite sticky. It's made up of DHA, which is a sugar base. And so therefore any overspray in your room is going to land on your unit. So in order to keep your equipment functioning for a long time, you do need to maintain it. Same with the hose, so we've disconnected the hose. And we're going to just take our damp cloth, run it down the hose, so that just wherever there is any spray tan on it, wipe around the connections, and then we're actually going to get our dry towel, just wipe over it. And as you can see, the hose is very sturdy, but yet flexible enough to be able to control. So you can either leave your unit ready for storage, or you can leave it all set up, ready to go again, ready for your next spray tan the next day. And the gun, we're going to go over the cleaning of the guns separately, so we'll do that under the gun cleaning video. And that's the Solaire Duchess.